the 2025 Dacia Sandero continues to be a compelling choice for drivers seeking affordability without compromising quality. Known for its practical design and no-nonsense approach, the Sandero has evolved with modern features while staying true to its roots as an accessible and reliable vehicle. Let's dive into what makes this latest iteration of the Sandero a standout in its segment. The exterior design of the 2025 Sandero is a blend of simplicity and contemporary styling. Its clean lines, a bold front grille, and a set of sharp LED headlights give it a modern look that punches above its price range. The wider stance and slightly lower roofline provide a more dynamic appearance while maintaining its functional hatchback shape. It's clear that Dacia has taken cues from higher-end brands to deliver a car that looks as good as it performs. Inside, the Sandero offers a surprisingly spacious cabin with an emphasis on practicality. The dashboard features a clean and intuitive layout, with physical buttons for essential controls alongside an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Materials are simple but durable, ensuring they stand up to everyday use. The seats are comfortable and provide good support for longer journeys, while the rear seats fold flat to create ample cargo space when needed. Under the hood, the 2025 Sandero is powered by a range of efficient engines. The entry-level model comes with a 1.0-liter 3-cylinder petrol engine producing 90 horsepower, while a bi-fuel version, running on both petrol and LPG, offers added versatility and lower running costs. For those looking for a bit more power, a turbocharged variant delivers 110 horsepower, providing plenty of punch for city driving and motorway cruising. Paired with a smooth 6-speed manual gearbox or an optional CVT automatic, the Sandero balances performance with fuel efficiency, achieving up to 55 miles per gallon. The driving experience is where the Sandero truly shines for its price. Dacia has fine-tuned the suspension to handle uneven road surfaces with ease, offering a comfortable ride that feels stable and composed. Light steering makes it easy to maneuver in tight urban spaces, while improved sound insulation keeps the cabin quieter than previous generations. Safety is another area where the 2025 Sandero impresses. Standard features include automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and rear parking sensors, with optional upgrades like blind spot monitoring and a rear view camera. This focus on safety helps the Sandero appeal to families and first-time buyers alike. What truly sets the Sandero apart is its incredible value. Starting at just $15,000, it's one of the most affordable new cars on the market, yet it offers features and a driving experience that rival more expensive competitors. It's a car designed for real-world needs, combining efficiency, reliability, and modern technology in a way that makes it accessible to a wide audience. In conclusion, the 2025 Dacia Sandero proves that you don't need to spend a fortune to drive a well-designed, feature-packed car. It's practical, efficient, and stylish, making it a fantastic option for those who want a dependable vehicle without breaking the bank. Whether you're navigating city streets, heading out on a weekend trip, or simply looking for an everyday car that delivers more than its price suggests, the Sandero is ready to meet the challenge.